Okay, we're going to continue. Next question. Read paragraph 11. Take only pictures. Take only pictures, leave only footprints. The tour guide's words played over and over in Layla's mind. What do these sentences show about Layla? Well, she listens to her professors or teachers and parents and grown-ups, and she listens to advice. So let's see. F, she wants to take pictures of the geode. No, that has nothing to do with it. Remember, two of them are totally wrong. She's good at recalling important ideas. Well, this is true, but I don't think that this has to do with these two sentences here and how she was feeling. She's not sure what the tour guide meant. This is totally wrong. She was very, very sure what the tour guide meant. She is considering what she should do with the geode. This is the right answer. She's considering what to do with it. All right? She's thinking about it. What is the most likely reason Layla decides against taking the geode home? Oh, well, because before I read this, I'm going to think about my question. What is the most likely reason she decides against taking it home? I guess because of what we just read here. She was thinking about what the guide, I was going to say guard, what the guide said, and she felt like it was important and she needed to do what she was told. So she cannot think of a way to make the rock useful. That's not true at all. That this is totally wrong. She realizes that the rock should stay in its natural surroundings. This could be like, because they say, leave only footprints, remember? She's afraid of what others might say if she keeps it. I don't think she was thinking about what other people would say. No. She's worried that Cooper will try to take it away from her. No, Cooper was not interested in that. And I guess this could be the distractor. She's afraid of what others might say. Not exactly others, but the guard, I guess. So she realizes that the rock should stay in its natural surroundings because of this. Take only pictures. That means don't take anything else. All right. What can the reader tell about how Layla feels toward the tour guide? Well, when you listen to someone, it means that you respect the person, right? Like when you listen to your teachers or your mom. Layla wishes the tour guide has selected a more interesting path for the group to walk in the park. This is totally wrong. That has nothing to do with it. Layla thinks the tour guide is boring. Wrong. She never says anything related to that. Layla thinks the tour guide saw the geode near the trail and forgot to talk about it. I don't know. I don't think that's true, but let's see. Layla respects the tour guide's knowledge. I guess this is it. So she respects the tour guide. All right. Next set of questions. The imagery in the first sentence of the story helps the reader understand that Layla is, let's go back. Layla knew the grin on her face stretched from ear to ear. This is imagery because, of course, it's not going to. All right, so stretch from ear to ear means like she's super happy. Obviously, this is imagery. Your lips are not going to touch your ears, obviously, so it's just imagery. So if we go back to the question, the imagery in the first sentence of the story helps the reader understand. I'm going to draw my big happy face that I drew, ear to ear, remember? She's tired from doing schoolwork. Totally wrong. Excited about being on a field trip? That could be. Concerned? Is she concerned or worried? Not at all. Curious? Okay, about where her class will go next. She's not thinking about that at all. So this could be the distractor. These two are totally wrong, and this is your correct answer. Read the sentence from paragraph 13. She smiled when the sunlight bounced off the crystals, sending the rays in 1,000 directions at once. Oh, beautiful colors. Okay. The author uses these descriptions to suggest that the geode looks beautiful as it shines. Yes, because the sunlight is bouncing. Okay. Layla really wants to keep the geode. She smiled when it was shining. Okay. I don't know. I'm going to put a question mark here. The forest has many other hidden geodes. No. And Layla is wondering how the geode formed. No. So I found the two that are totally wrong. One is a distractor and one is the correct answer. So I'm just going to decide between these two. So she smiled when the sunlight bounced off the crystal, sending the rays in 1,000 directions at once. So it's stressing not about the fact that she was smiling. The sentence is stressing the fact that the sunlight is bouncing in many different or striking the light into many different colors, sending the rays into 1,000 directions at once. So the best choice right here is that it looks super beautiful as it shines. All right, that's it.